Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn chapter 1 of Brain Development Scholarship Exam of Standard 4th, that is numbers. Now, first, even numbers. The numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. So, the numbers which end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that is at the units place we have 0, either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number is called the even number. Next, odd numbers. Odd numbers are the numbers which end with the digit 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. That numbers are called odd numbers. So, numbers which end with digit 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that numbers are called even numbers, and the numbers which end with digit 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, they are called odd numbers. Now, next coming to natural numbers. Natural numbers start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And whole numbers, when we say whole numbers start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the difference. Natural number starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And whole numbers start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Next one is prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which are exactly divisible by 1 and the number itself. That is called a prime number. The number which is divisible by 1 and the number itself, that is called a prime number. So, between 1 to 100, the prime numbers are, see here we will divide them into groups. Okay, see, from 1 to 10, prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. 11 to 20, prime numbers are 11, 13, 17 and 19. 21 to 30, prime numbers are 23, 29. 31 to 40, prime numbers are 31 and 37. 41 to 50, prime numbers are 41, 43, 47. So, from 1 to 50, these numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 1 and the number itself. They doesn't come in any other table. Okay, so from 1 to 50, there are almost 15 prime numbers. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, remember that between 1 to 50, there are 15 prime numbers. 1 to 50, there are 15 prime numbers. Now, let's continue. 51 to 60, 53 and 59. 61 to 70, prime numbers are 61 and 67. 71 to 70, prime numbers are 71, 73, 79. 81 to 90, prime numbers are 83, 89. 91 to 100, prime numbers are 97. So, overall, from 1 to 100, there are 25 prime numbers. Between 1 to 100, there are how many prime numbers? 25 prime numbers. Got it? Now, coming to the next topic, that is composite numbers. Composite numbers are the numbers which are product of two or more numbers. Okay, so there are 74. Leaving all these numbers, all the other numbers are composite numbers. Okay, so there are in overall 74 composite numbers between 1 to 100. Now, here 25 even prime numbers are there between 1 to 100. 74 composite numbers are there between 1 to 100. And 1, the number 1, it is neither prime nor composite. Remember that 1 is neither prime nor composite number. Now, coming to the formulas, based on formulas, here, see, you have to remember, I have given it in short. O means odd number, E is even number. When you add two odd numbers, odd number plus odd number, we get a even number. When you add two even number plus even number, we get an even number. When you add an odd number and an even number, we get an odd number. You should remember this. Next, in multiplication, when you multiply two odds, see, odd number into odd number, you get an odd number. Okay, 5 and 7 are odd numbers. When we multiply 7 5s are 35. So, that is also an odd number. Now, see here, O, odd number multiplied by even number, we get an even number. So, 5 into 2, 5 is odd number, 2 is even number. 5 2s are 10. So we get an even number. Okay. Even into even. When you multiply two even numbers, you get an even number. Like 2 into 4. 6. Okay. Got it? So this you should remember. Odd number plus odd number. Adding to odd numbers, we get even number. Adding to even numbers, we get an even number. Odd number and even number, when we add together, we get an odd number. And in multiplication, when you multiply two odd numbers, we get an odd number. When you multiply an odd number with an even number, we get an even number. When you multiply two even numbers, we get a even number.